Hello viewers, this is Ira from Little Gems Hunter. Today we are going to treat Ethiopian opals to bring them to life again. Welo opals, also known as Ethiopian opals, are captivating gemstones renowned for their mesmerizing play of color. Interestingly, Welo opals are hydrophane, meaning they can absorb water and change their appearance especially during their finishing process. This is an example of the opal which has lost its play of color due to the absorbed water. The water removal technique should be gentle enough to keep the opal matrix safe from cracks and fracture. Welo opals contains tiny pores where the water is being absorbed and make the opals transparent, which causes loss of mesmerizing play of colors. This picture shows porous microstructure of opals. Let's start this simple and gentle process to remove water safely out of opal matrix. We can use silica gel beads, bentonite clay, or rice as a desiccant. Here we will use silica gel and airtight container to treat this opal. These desiccant can be available at medical store or can be found in old medicine bottles. We have used 2 pouches and poured the beads in the airtight container. This would be enough to absorb all the water out of opal matrix. If the silica gel is already milky, that means you need to dry it with sunlight before using. Finally, we have placed this opal inside the container and closed the lid tightly. These beads will gently absorb the water out of opal matrix in a matter of few days. Now we have set aside this container for a few days.